Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. In today's video, we are starting a new series of building a directory website using Oxygen Builder and GeoDirectory plugin. Let's get started. GeoDirectory is a plugin used to create directory website in which you can get many advanced level as well as basic tools and features. You can also find many add-ons and custom fields can be added. You can see the add-ons over here, membership pricing. Also it provides very good support. So GeoDirectory plugin is one of the best directory plugin. So first of all we will be installing the GeoDirectory plugin. For this first we will be going on to the WordPress dashboard and then plugins and then add plugin. Then coming on to search, we will be typing GeoDirectory and after search you can find it and then click on install now. After installation, click on activate. After activation, we need to do some basic setup. As you can see here, welcome to the world of GeoDirectory. So here you can see two maps, OpenStreetMaps and Google Maps. In Google Maps you need API key and OpenStreetMaps are free. So we have selected that and then continue. Now from here you can do address selection. So here you can see this is our default address and click on continue. Here you can see what directory features you need. You can see these are the free features and remaining all these are paid features. So we are selecting the free features and then click on install. So this is installing now in our local site. Now you can see here the dummy data. Here are field of places, number of integer, and you can also update page template. Setting number of integer to 20, then insert posts. Now our insert is complete 100%. Then click on continue. Now you can see that our directory is ready. So the GeoDirectory plugin setup is completed. Now return to the WordPress dashboard. So now our plugin is activated. Next comes our Oxygen Builder through which we will be designing our page. Oxygen Builder is a pixel perfect design meets WordPress power. It has user-friendly interface with customizations. It has a lot of extensions and features. It also offers many features such as dynamic data, variables, and many more. Under extension, there are breakdance form for Oxygen 6 and breakdance elements for Oxygen 6 and many more. Coming on to pricing, it has lifetime bundle option for purchase. It also has good reviews. So if you want to purchase, then you can check out the link in the description box provided. If you purchase through our link, you will also get some discount. So check out the link in the description box of this video to avail the offer. So now we have downloaded it and we will be adding it onto our site. So coming on to plugins, then add plugin, then click on upload plugin and then choose file. Then we will open the Oxygen zip file over here. Then click on install now to install. Now click on activate plugin for activation. So now our Oxygen Builder is activated. Now coming on to its settings. Now it's paid. So for this we need to enter the license key. So we have already entered it over here. Now click on save changes. Now our plugin is fully activated. So now our setup of Oxygen Builder and GeoDirectory plugin is complete. So now using these we will be creating header and footer of our site. So to create header, first we will be going on to Oxygen and then header. Now to create a new header we will click on add header and now we will be naming the header as header. Then coming on to location, we are setting everywhere. We can also set specific header page wise. Priority will be 1, then click on add header. So now our header template can be seen here. Now to work up with Oxygen Builder, click on Edit with Oxygen Builder. Now our Oxygen Builder is open to create header. So first, coming on to the left corner plus icon, first we will be taking a container, and then just beside it you can see structure over here. This will help you to see what containers and elements are being used. Then again taking one more container, then coming on to the structure where you can see a container over here. Now duplicating it, we will be giving it a class name. Coming on to the right side, onto the class name where there is a space for writing class name, left call container. Then click on left call container. Now you can see that there are many settings opened over here. Similarly, we will be changing the name of the right column, right call container. Then again clicking here. So now our left call container and right call container are ready. Coming on to the settings on the right side, then size and then width from pixel to percentage, keeping it 30%, and then right column width to coming first to percentage and then 70%. We will be editing the main container's name to main header container. Then we will be selecting it, and then from here keeping the flow row wise. Now our structure of the column is set. Now coming on to the left column, we will be adding logo. So clicking onto the plus icon and then taking an image block over here, then double click on image. Now we will be uploading the logo over here. We have created this logo through Canva. If you want, you can check out our video on YouTube channel of how to create logo through Canva. We will be adding this link into the description box. We will be minimizing this. For that, coming first onto the right side settings, keeping class name to logo, then coming on to its size, keeping width to 200 pixel. Now our logo is set. Now in the right column we will be adding menu. So clicking onto the plus icon, coming on to the search, then searching WP menu and drag and drop it. The menu which is shown here is coming from WordPress dashboard. We are setting up this menu for main menu. Now we will be designing this. So for that, coming on to class. So for that, taking a class main menu, then coming on to position, then coming on to structure and then right column container, then coming on to flex and then alignment to right and Y alignment to center. Then again coming on to left column container and then alignment to left and Y alignment to center. Now our menu looks little small, so we will be increasing its size. So coming on to size on the right side and then coming on to typography, and you get here many options, giving height here 18 pixel, alignment right. You can add style from here according to the requirement. So we have added logo and set our menu. Now save it. Now coming on to the front end, we will copy this URL, open it in new tab and paste the URL and refresh it. So now our logo and menu are set, both of them to keep gap in left and right side. So coming back to the header, main header container. Now coming on to spacing, adding padding left 30 pixel and apply opposite and then save. Now coming back to front end and refresh it. Now left and right, both sides some space can be seen. You can do this according to your requirement. If we need more space, then we will be adding it to 60 and then again saving it. Now coming on to front end and then refreshing it. So we want to add some border at the bottom of the header so it will look professional. So for this, coming back to the editor, then main container and right side border option, bottom selection, border width, and then choosing from here, then keeping style solid and then save, and then coming to the front end and refreshing. So now it looks like this. Now next we will be designing the footer. So for that, coming onto the WordPress dashboard, then oxygen and then footers. Similarly, click on add footer and then click on title, editing it footer, location everywhere, keeping priority 1 and then add footer. Now our footer template is ready. Now we will be designing it using Oxygen Builder. Click on edit with Oxygen. We will be dividing footer with 4 columns. In one column there will be logo, below which there will be description. In the next column, quick links, and in the third column there will be important links, and in the fourth column there will be contact. So for that, first of all we will be going on to the plus icon, taking a container as a main container, then click on plus icon and then take one more container within it. Then click on the structure icon. You can see here the containers, then duplicating this container and making 4 container, then editing the class of the main container as footer, keeping the first container name as footer call 1. Similarly for the next one, footer call 2, and for the third one, footer call 3, and for the fourth, footer call 4. Then coming on to the main footer container, coming on to its flex, then clicking on to the row right arrow, so all the columns will come side by side. So in the first column we will be adding image, so click on the plus icon and drag and drop the image container, then double click and then choosing logo from here and then click continue. Then adding its size and width, keeping its class name footer logo, keeping its width 250 pixel. Then below the logo adding some description, taking some text, and then we have added here a dummy text. We can add the description according to requirement. Adding its class name footer description, then coming on to spacing, then padding from above 25 pixel. Let's edit it to 15 pixel. Then in the second column we will be adding important link. First we will be taking a heading block, searching a heading block and taking it, then editing the text name to important links, tags h4. Under the important link we will be adding some menus, so coming on to the block search, taking a basic list block and drag and drop. Then right side mini list can be seen from here. We will open it and edit to home. Now we can add a home page link over here. Then click on this link and then custom URL or search and add the page also. So typing here home, we will be searching and adding it over here. Then add link. So our home link is added. Now about us, so we will be doing same thing. So about us has come and then add link. Next coming on to contact, so adding the contact page similar way. We can also add one more link called blogs. So since we haven't created any page such as blogs, so we will create it later and add it over here, or we can search over here and do similarly over here. So keeping it blank for now. Now coming on to quick link, duplicate this and then drag and drop over here. Now editing its name to quick link. In this also we will be drag and drop the basic menu list. Then editing it to add list. Then adding the add listing link over here. Then we will add listing page over here. Search, select and add link. In the next we will be adding places, which will be archive page. For now we are adding hashtag over here. Then location. Here also we are adding hash. Later we will be adding links over here. In the last we will be adding join. And then in the link again hash. So this will be where the pages will be redirect. So we have added quick link menu. In the last one we will be adding contact details, duplicating and drag and drop, and then editing it to contact. Now here we will be choosing icon list, and in the first one we will be adding email ID. Now we will be choosing icon from here. Next we will be adding a phone number over here. For now we are adding a dummy phone number. Then again from here we will be choosing the icon for phone. And at the last we will be adding social media icons, where links for the social media will be added. So in the left side block search bar we will search socials. So here you can see social icons and social share button are seen. Adding social icon. Now coming on to its design, click on to paint and then icon, and then editing size to 20. Now save and come on to front end and refresh it. Now alignment is perfect. So this was all about header and footer. First we have discussed about GeoDirectory and Oxygen Builder setup along with creation of header and footer.
We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to BuddyDevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video informative, then do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.